Okay, so last time we were here, they were foaming this Barndo 158. So today I'm going to give you a quick update of what's going on, and I'm also going to talk to you about what type of foam we use and why we use it. Same with drywall and all that good stuff, so stick around. All right, let's go over to the foam. We use open cell foam on the walls, 4 inches on the walls, 5.5 inches on the attic walls, and on the roof. This is something that I just talked to the foam guy. They're gonna flash the purlin, because there's 3 ways to conduct heat, right? It's convection, conduction, and radiation. So this purlin needs to be covered up in foam so that it doesn't conduct heat from the outside in. And he knows that. They do it on every job, but he didn't do it here. So anyway, no problem. They're gonna take care of that. We use open cell in our homes. Why? Well, it's better. No. So open cell and closed cell, they both have their applications. In our case, we use open cell in the homes, closed cell in the shops if it's going to be exposed, okay? So for example, these 4 inches of foam, it's more than plenty to do what we need to do in this home. It's gonna make it as efficient as it can be. It's airtight. That's the main thing. Make this thing airtight. So I read on some internet forums, talk about people that say, well, that closed cell will seal any holes and prevent leaks. It will not. Foam insulation is an insulator, okay? It is not a sealant. Your building must be leak proof before you foam, and you must be 100% sure of it, okay? All right, let's discuss some scenarios. Let's say we have open cell foam and we have a small leak. Well, we're gonna be able to find it a lot easier with open cell. Let's say we don't find it. It's a leak small enough that we won't find it. Well, open cell has a much better chance of that water getting out of there than it does with closed cell. Now, obviously, we don't want any leaks, but if you did, I think you have a better chance with open cell. Now, that is not the reason we use it, obviously. The plan is not to have any leaks, so I was just kind of going on a tangent on something that I read online. However, why do we use it? Again, it serves a purpose, number one. Number two, it's a very good sound insulator. Our homes are very quiet, and it's just as airtight as if you were using closed cell. Number three, it is more economical for our customers. So we are giving our customers the best value by using open cell. Could I use closed cell? Of course we can use closed cell. And like I said, we do. We do use closed cell if it's going to be exposed. If we're going to paint it, we're going to use closed cell because it looks better. In the shops, if it's exposed, we use closed cell. That's actually what they're spraying right now in the shop, and we're going to go show you some of that. However, in here, we use open cell. Drywall. We use 5/8 drywall throughout the home. We do not use any 1/2 inch drywall. Why? Well, because 5/8 drywall has a fire rating. 1/2 inch drywall doesn't. So when you go get your insurance for your home, for your Barndominium, you're going to tell your insurance company that you have fire rated drywall throughout the home, and they're going to give you a break. Not only that, it's going to make your home quieter. So we use 5/8 throughout. We also use batt insulation on all the interior walls for sound purposes, right? It makes your home quieter. So our homes, we're making them airtight, we're gonna make them quiet. Okay, this is gonna do it. We're also gonna make them comfortable. How are we gonna do that? Well, our HVAC systems, we have high SEER, 16 or 17 SEER HVAC units, dual speed condensers, variable speed air handlers, so they handle the humidity in your home. And if you're going to foam your home, you need to handle the humidity inside, right? Because you're going to make it airtight. So handle the humidity. You do that, we put a supply and returns in every bedroom, and that's going to give you the most comfortable home that you can ask for. Keep your humidity about 50 to 60%. You don't even have to keep it that cold in the summer. You can keep your home at 80 degrees with 50% humidity. It's gonna feel very good for you, and it's gonna be efficient. So anyway, that's what we do, okay? Just kind of in a nutshell, just giving you guys a rundown of kind of the things that are important to us, all right? The whole debate versus open cell versus closed cell, Yeah, I get it. Maybe up in northern climates it's different, but here in Texas, open cell works very well for the for barndominiums. If we have an issue with the metal where we have to pull it off and replace it, we just do it. You just foam from the outside in. If you have to on the roof, you replace it. You come in the attic, you refoam the whole thing. You know, that's just what it takes. You want to shoot, in my opinion, you want to shoot your foam right up against the metal. You do not want to put a barrier in between, because now you can have issues, okay? All right, so that's just a quick rundown of how we do our barndominiums, why they're so comfortable. So anyway, that's just a quick rundown of what makes our barndominium so efficient and so comfortable, okay? And so quiet. Our homes are very quiet. If you have a heavy rain, you'll be able to hear it slightly, but if it's just a regular rain, you will never know it's raining unless you go outside. Windy, same thing. You hardly know when it's windy when they're inside the home because it's very quiet. I use one rule of thumb. I build these barndominiums the way I would build my personal barndominium. And guess what? When I built my personal barndominium, I built it exactly the way I built all of these. Okay, obviously, my barndominium was built 4 years ago, and as we are advancing, new products come out, we are evolving to keep up with the times and with the products, right? But you know, that's kind of the thing that we keep in mind. Quiet home, dry home, airtight home, comfortable home, low humidity. You're gonna love your home. So anyway, enough of that. Let me go show you some more of this home. I mean, we showed you the other day, but let's go walk around. It's gonna get pretty dark back here, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, as you guys can see, all the drywall's already here. It's ready to go. We are working on cabinets right now. It's coming together. So this is a big home, and we're gonna show it to you when we're done. Have we showed the pool? So anyway, we're gonna give you a real quick view in here, and then we're gonna show you outside because the metal building guys came in. They did their soffits and stuff. So we'll talk about all that. So as you can see, all the drywall's already in here. We stack drywall in every bedroom. So when our drywall gets delivered, we ask that they stack it in every bedroom. Okay, this is gonna make it easier on our drywall crew. All right, so we always stack inside the home. Never, ever, ever stack outside, because you know Mother Nature is gonna get you, and so will Murphy. So never stack your drywall outside the home. Find a supplier or a vendor that will stack inside. And yes, I know that it's difficult to find, but you must find them, because that's what you need to do. Never stack drywall outside. So as you guys can see, all of our drywall stacked inside. And you know, if for example the foam crew, they had an issue, they couldn't finish the home on time, we got delayed by 1 day. Not a problem. Our drywall's here, it's out of the way, and it's dry. If it was to rain right now, I don't have a problem, right? So anyway, there's a pro tip right there. Always have your drywall delivered inside. Another thing that these guys do really well, as you can see, is all the windows are protected very well. You want a foam installer that that does a clean job. I don't know if you've ever tried to remove foam insulation from anything, but once the stuff gets on there, it's on there, which is a good thing, right? But at the same time, you have to protect anything that you don't want foam on. So anyway, this is a big home, and I'm gonna, you know, maybe just stay tuned, but we'll give you another kind of once we have it drywalled, we'll give you a proper pre-tour of the home, so that you guys can see you know what it looks like. I know Daniel and Leroy did a kind of a quick tour before, but we want to do maybe a more formal one. So the lighting's not very good right now because of, obviously, we have no lights. But anyway, so the pool's right there, you can see it. So this is a very nice home. You're gonna like it. So let's go outside real quick, Daniel. Hang on, give me the dreamy look. Wait, we gotta try that. Am I totally blown out?
Yeah.
All right, wait, stay there. We are Texas Barndominiums. Do I look all dreamy? We're on the back side of the house right now. We're standing on the back porch. This is where the pool is going to be, obviously, because there's a pool there. This is the siding on the back wall. We have metal, and then we're gonna have stone 3 feet up. And where the stone's going to be, we use the zip wall system. Again, we're trying to keep the home dry. We're trying to keep the home airtight. So we use the zip system. Soffits, they've been done. As you can tell, this gives it a really nice finished look to all of our barn doors. That covers up all the framework, just makes it look so much better, so much cleaner, so much more professional. So this is the breezeway. It's gonna get loud in here because they're foaming, but this is the house, this is the shop. So you guys can see, pretty nice. So we're gonna do the stonework also in the front of the house. We have the same treatment here, metal and stonework on the bottom. Big windows so that they can see out on their front yard, and a big 8-foot door. Now, some of you, when they see our videos, they talk about the gaps that we have in the doors and such. These are temporary doors. We do not put our final doors until about a day or two before the customer move in. We do not want those doors to get damaged at all, so we always put in temporary doors, okay? Of course, this is an 8-foot door, so it's gonna be a very nice door, I promise. This is a 10-foot porch. To me, 10 feet is ideal. 8 foot is what I would consider minimum. So anyway, that's the porch. Let me go show you the carport. So this right here is the carport. This is a 25 by 25. And you probably can't hear anything because it's loud. So let's get out of the way. So anyway, they have a nice carport out in the front. The shop, they're foaming right now. So let's see if we can. Oh yeah, they're doing the close sale. Come on, Danny. All right, so as you can see, they're up there shooting the close sale right now. They're gonna do the entire shop. Notice how well they cover up all the doors and the tracks and everything. Also, hopefully you guys can see me here. Notice how they tape up all the purlins and the pipe here. Now, in the shop, I want my purlins to have a clean line. I don't want them covered with foam. In case the customer wants to attach something to that, then we want these to be clean. So that looks a lot better that way, in my opinion. So they put a piece of tape there. That keeps it from getting any foam on the metal. And you'll see it. It'll be a very nice, clean job when we're done. So we'll try to show you that. So anyway, let's leave them to it. We're gonna go back outside. Well, that's it for today's show. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. As you guys know, we put out 4 videos a week, and we do this every day. We put up Barndominiums, and we have a good time doing so. And we want you to come along for the ride. Anyway, we'll see you next time. We are Texas Barndominiums.